Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Let's have a look today on the NOLA Turbo Mini. I bought this lighter a couple of days ago on the Lidl store. I was looking for something windproof, some lighter I could use outdoors. Usually I go for hikes or sometimes I do barbecue outside. And I bring these lighters with me, these normal big lighters. But if it's wind, this one here doesn't perform well. It doesn't work well in wind. So this one here, because it's a turbo flame, it's a jet flame, so I believe this one works better in the wind conditions, and also you can refill it. So it was quite good price. I paid like £3. Okay, let's open and check it out. Right, just some size comparisons. This is the normal big lighter, and this is the NOLA Turbo. It's quite compact size, good ergonomic. And here you got like a lock mechanism. Let's see if, I don't know if the camera is picking up. You can lock for safety. So if you put on the lock position and you cannot press. So it's locked. And also got this cover on the, and here, let's see if we can show you on and off. You can lock as well the lighter. So let's try here. So it's locked, I cannot press, so I can turn, twist and unlock. Good flame. And let's see if I can lock as well. And now it's locked. Look, I don't need to keep pressing. It's locked. And to unlock, just slides. And now it's unlocked. Very good design, very compact. And here you can refill with gas as well. So guys, for the first and the final test, I got some lighters here. I'll try to compare with the NOLA Turbo. So I'll try to simulate some outdoor conditions. So I got this fan here, this mini fan. I'll try to recreate some wind conditions, like when we go outside on outdoors. So let's see how these lighters perform compared with the NOLA Turbo. So just gonna make some wind here. Okay, let's try this one first. I'm gonna light out of the wind and okay, there you go. Let's try another lighter. Yeah, fail, and another fail. Let's try this one here one more time. Okie dokie. Now let's try the NOLA Turbo Jet. Let's see how it's gonna perform. Okay, all around it. The flame resists wind much better. Okay, one more time. Normal lighter. Normal lighter. Okay. Turbo Jet. One more time. Perfect. So my thoughts on this, guys. I totally would include this NOLA Turbo Jet on my fire start kit. Yeah, if you go outdoors for fishing, hunting, camping, hiking, and if you carry a fire start kit, definitely consider this one. Works really well on wind conditions. Great equipment to take with you. Okay, so until next time, thanks very much. Subscribe, thumbs up.